Hey guys, welcome to the next video. Today we're going to be talking about decimals, right? Which I feel like is one of the most complicated number types in math at the entry level. Now, what a decimal is it is a part of a whole. So the best way to explain it is like money, right? We have dollars and then we have cents, right? What are cents? Well, cents are a currency, right? It is money, but to a degree that is not big enough to be a dollar yet. So in other words, there are 100 pennies in between, well, 99 pennies technically, in between a dollar and $2. Each one of those is considered technically a decimal place. So for example, a quarter is 25 cents, in other words, 0.25. A dime is 10 cents, in other words, 0.1. A nickel is 5 cents, 0.05. All of these are metrics in between each whole dollar. Similarly, decimals are metrics between each whole number. So if we have our normal number line, let me just draw a number line here. Let's just put it like this. And then we put our values. I'm going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is our normal number line, right? Now, the decimal number line is actually almost like a number line within the number line. So if I look at the values between 0 and 1, within here, there is a whole new number line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this number line now. I'm going to make this one red. This is the decimal number line. And it's the decimal number line specifically between 0 and 1. So right here we have 0 now. And then right here I have 1. And then it's the same idea. Just like how it's 1 through 9, it's just going to be 1 through 9 again, but with a decimal in front. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Oh, I didn't realize how much space I have. Let me just spread it out. 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then 1, right? It's a number line within the number line. But hold up. There's even another one. Let's look, for example, between 0.5 and 0.6. I can create even a new number line here. In this case, we're going to make this one purple. So let me just go like this. Oh. I'm going to make not only this, but I'm going to make this also purple as well. So in between 0.5 and 0.6, there's even its own number line, which is going to be 0.5, 1. And then it's the same thing. We go through 1 through 9 again. So 0.52, 0.53, so on and so forth. Essentially, what decimals are is it is its own miniature number line within each number line based on the whole value. So when I'm looking for a number, for example, let's say where is 4.5? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my whole number line, right? Just right here. I'm going to look for 4. And now I have to go to my miniature number line in between 4 and 5. Well, now I have 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. Again, I'm counting by my decimal place value that's in between here. Well, 4.5 is going to be in the middle. So that means that 4.5 is right here. What about 7.9? Okay, like the same thing, right? I'm on my whole number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I go into my decimal number line. I have 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. The next one after that would be 8. So it's just right before, right here. Okay, what if I wanted 0.653? Well, then it's going to be a number line and then another number line. So I'm going to find my 6 on my whole number line. I'm going to go in right here, 6 and 7. Okay, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. I don't remember what I said. 6.53, let's just say that. Okay, now I'm at 0.5. Now I'm going to go into the next number line, right? Just like this. Then I have 6.5, 6.51, 6.52, and then 6.53, putting me exactly just a little bit in front of the halfway point. So this was a short video, but just kind of to recap, decimals are essentially number lines within our number lines, right? It is a whole set of numbers in between two numbers. So between 0 and 1, there's 0.1 to 0.9. Between 1 and 2, there's 1.1 to 1.9. Between 2 and 3, there's 2.1 to 2.9. And even between 2.1 and 2.2, there's even its own number line, 2.21 to 2.29, and then so on and so forth. I hope this helped. If you guys ever have any more questions or anything like that, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Other than that, you can also head over to mindleaptutor.com. Over there, you can either book a tutoring session with me privately, or you can go to the math resources page, go to the video archives, scroll at the bottom, click the question box, and drop a question there so you have a video made similar to this. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace out.